So now we're just gonna just copy these over z-axis, and we're just gonna join them, and we just rinse and repeat the process. Again, we have to get rid of the places where it will be joined. I'm just gonna get rid of the faces here, since we're gonna join the vertices over on these places. If we keep the faces, it's just gonna overlap and it's just gonna ruin the place. It's gonna create some abnormalities. So as you see, that's easy and really simple. Join them. Okay, welded. We're just going to rinse and repeat the process until we get a good mesh. We're gonna keep one as a backup. Let's hide that one. Now, to give it a good curve, we need a lattice and modifier. Yeah, Shift A, get a lattice, then make it just resize it to the grill size and shape. Not shape exactly, just the size part. Control P object, just click on object, and now it's parented. So when we will move the lattice box, the grill will move with it. But if we only click on the grill object and we move the grill, the lattice won't be moved. The lattice won't move, sorry. Let's get the resolution 66. Now get the lattice modifier over on the grill. Now get the eyedropper tool and just click on the lattice that we're working on with. Alright. Now, as you can see, let's go to the edit mode. Now we can just curve the lattice. And the moment we will curve the lattice, the grill will curve with it. Let's turn off the sub D for now. Now we need 7. Okay. For resolution U we need 8. For a smoother curve, it's UI. Deselect these. Again. Deselect. Again. Let's see how it looks. Cool. It has curved as we wanted. Let's push it up a bit. Right over there. Nice. Let's push it inside. Now we're just gonna match it from the right side. Let's get 8V. Let's push them inside. And let's just push it outside. The swarm. Click on that GUI there. Let's get some more V's. 20 should be perfect. Now we're gonna create those spikes that we can see. Let's get this one first. Now we're just gonna adjust them accordingly. Just follow my guide. If we just keep those parts as it is, since there will be the number plate. Let's push the inside of it. Let's go up top. Let's get these outsides. GUI and just push them inside a bit to give it a little bit more curve. Looking good so far. Let's some more U. 10 U's. GUI outside. Okay, create a new collision, that is. Front grill. Alright. Let's turn this off. Let's see how it is looking. Cool. Good so far. And now we're just gonna trim out the excess. Okay, so that was for our front grill.